Hi guys, we are so happy that you are today with us, and right now I will show you how to make your Snapchat dark to turn on the dark mode on this application. So let's go to the button. First and foremost, we need to go to the Snapchat, and later let's open our account settings after tapping on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. Later, let's pick on the settings icon here, and we have a lot of different features here. Later, the special dark mode option was located here just on the list, and you can also, if you have this option on the list, pick on the dot or switch opposite it to activate. But right now, when our Snapchat apps are updated, we need to find this first section like my account, and the last option is app appearance. Let's click on it, and we have three different ways to activate or change. Is the always light, the light mode, always dark, it's the dark mode of our app, and the first one, match system, which means that if our system, iPhone or phone system, is in dark mode, our app will be in dark mode also, and in the light in the same way. So when we want to activate this dark mode, let's pick on the dot here to add the check mark, and later to save our changes, let's pick on the arrow. So guys, from now on our app is absolutely dark, like when it's night, which is very stylish and cool. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was interesting for you. Don't forget about likes and subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool fun tricks. So good luck, bye bye.